SG Financial here. You entertained? I'm entertained. Well, over the night, oil was up another 3.5%. We haven't seen nothing yet. I've seen two tankers in the Strait of Hormuz were on fire. I was watching the map last night, the live maritime map, and it appears that Iran is jamming signals through the Strait of Hormuz. And I give it about an 80% probability that they're going to blockade and shut it down. And you're going to see oil double in price real quick. Now, if this expands to, Saudi Arabian facilities getting bombed, neighboring infrastructure getting taken out, this could escalate and domino effect into some very serious, even more serious situation now. So I would definitely, even at this inflated price, establish a long position in oil. I saw Bitcoin's down 3% today. I think I told you guys yesterday Bitcoin is going to keep falling. I see Bitcoin, essentially what I think is going on is Israel and Iran are selling off some strategic Bitcoin holdings to fund the war. And people are getting scared, just for the fact that it's really not a store of value during times of economic crisis or war. Real gold is. So I see Bitcoin falling even more. I would be short Bitcoin right now and be long oil, no doubt about it. The stock market today is pretty steady, holding fairly well, which is highly surprising. But once the Strait of Hormuz is blockaded, which I see happening here very soon, I think Iran basically at this point, they're trying to do diplomatic solutions. Let's just face the fact they were attacked out of the blue for no apparent reason. And I just see Iran saying, screw the West, and, where's all, their surrounding people to help them, like Jordan, Saudi Arabia. I don't see any of these, their neighboring buddies coming to help them. I think what's going to happen is once they shut down the Strait of Hormuz here, is that Yemen will get involved, shut down their section, their side. They're going to shut down more waterways. So this is going to get very, very interesting right now. And why is this happening? Well, behind the scenes, you have the rich bankers who essentially have printed fiat currency into oblivion and now need to take us to war as an excuse for currency devaluation. So if the one thing you watch in these videos is the same reoccurring theme, get out of the dollar, get out of the dollar, get out of wherever you're watching this in the world, get out of your currency right now, because we have a global hyperinflation coming around the corner. There's really nothing that we can do to get out of this situation. And I think we will have a currency reset, but it's going to get pretty nasty first. Right now, basically, they're just throwing shit on the wall and just trying anything to, oh, it wasn't us bankers, is why, a gallon of milk's $25 now. It's because of the war, if you see what I'm saying. And I think Donald Trump also, he's a sellout to Israel, no doubt about it. But he's such an egomaniac. His legacy, he can't stand to have high oil prices, because you got to face the fact, once people start going to oil pumps or gas pump, and they're paying $5 a gallon, they're going to blame Donald Trump, even though he's just basically a puppet. But definitely, it's going down now and interesting. I would be long oil, even at this price. You might go to sleep one night here soon, wake up and see oil double that quickly. Within an hour after blocking the strait, it's going to go up 30% right off the bat within an hour. And as the markets open up, it's probably going to happen when the United States is sleeping. That's what I'm guessing. So, basically we're all on the opposite side of the world here. So all the happenings, a lot of this bombing's been happening at nighttime, a lot of action at nighttime, where we're at right now here in the U.S. and Eastern Standard Time. So a lot of this action. If you can stay up 24/7, you can take advantage. I've been doing some trading throughout the night with oil stocks, DBO, and UCO. So definitely get out of the dollar. Oil's going way higher, way higher. Don't let these high prices levels right now scare you of getting into energy stocks. No doubt about it. get out of Bitcoin for right now. One thing about the gold mining stocks right now, I would be out of them. The reason being is the higher oil prices are going to cut into the gold mining operations. So you might see gold go up a percent, let's just say 2% in one day, but oil went up 3%. So you're going to have a net negative on the gold mining stocks because oil is one of the number one factors in operating the mines. You need oil to run all these machines and to process and refine the metals, they get out of the ground. So basically, high oil prices is the number one weakness of mining stocks. But what's a good play here is, once the oil price shoots up and it stabilizes, what should happen here, and it historically happens, is oil goes up very quickly and trades sideways as a new inflated price. So once oil tops out, that's a good time to buy mining stocks because you're getting them a huge discount because you're basically, someone else is taking a hit on the oil price going up. And then once that oil price goes down and gold's going up simultaneously, it's a double win. So that's going to be one of my main plays with the gold mining stocks here, is after oil tops out here, maybe they broker a peace deal after the straits blocked off here. That's when you want to buy gold mining stocks. Gold still is the number one asset right now to get out of the dollar. So if you can play these fiat games, these political games, time your trade around the oil going up here and you're going to do very well. So basically, get out of Bitcoin, ride the oil price up. When it stabilizes, sell, acquire gold mining stocks. If you want to go short oil then and ride it back down, there you go again. There's lots of stuff to do here. Personally, for me, I would be avoiding the defensive stocks right now, like Boeing, Northrop, things of this nature. I'd just be avoiding these. But yeah, anyways, I suggest you financialists want to touch base with you. I got a message about recording in the wrong mode here, so now I'm sideways for you. Anyways, talk to you later.